Hello students, let's start our next practice lesson on the extrude functions. Today we will see 3 more exercises. First one is this. Let's start with this project. Let's open the NX, press the sketch, select the plane and press OK. So let's firstly draw the circle on the center of the axis and put the dimension is 50 millimeter, and draw one more circle. It will be reference circle with the diameter is 70 millimeter. So convert this second circle into reference circle, so it is converted to the reference circle, and draw one line here, vertical line. It is also will be reference line, and draw two circles. One, okay, and the diameter of the circle is 20 millimeter. Using the geometric constraint and point on the curve function, select the center and this vertical line, the same center of the circle and this circle, and draw line here, this with and line. The same here. And make the distance of these lines 20 millimeter. And make this line and this line circle tangent. There is something wrong. Let's delete this one. The distance between this line and this line, okay. It's 20. Make it 20. And make it quick trim. This one, and this ones, and draw the circle, additional small circle here. With the diameter of 10 millimeter. Then using the pattern function, make pattern of this curve, single curve, this one, this and this is circular layout. The center is this one with the distance, and the pitch is 120. Press OK and make trim of these unnecessary parts. Press the close. Now we can make the extrude it using the extrude function. extrude is around the 10 millimeter. Press OK. So the base is created. Now is draw the next elements of the project. Select the sketch, select this face, press OK. Draw the circle in the middle with the diameter of 40 millimeter and extrude it in the length of 30 millimeter. Here write 30 millimeter, and using the bolean logic, that's we can make unite with the base. Press OK. Next is to draw this on this face. Press OK. Draw the circle with the diameter of 30 millimeter. Press OK. And using the extrude function, we will make the subtract, change the direction and value until selected of this face. It's not unite, in this case it will be subtract, so press OK. Last step is to make the hole here, so it is in the degree of 120 degree. So in this case we will need the additional reference datum plane. So in order to make the reference datum plane, firstly make sketch, select this face and press OK. So draw the line here and draw line here, make the angle between this and this line. Let's first delete this one and draw the line this and make the angle between this line and this line 120. No, just delete this one. Make the angle between this line 120 and convert these lines to the reference, this line and this line to the reference, and draw the datum plane here. Select the datum plane and datum plane, select the point on the direction and select this point and press OK. So we will make the one additional datum plane here, and we will draw the circle on this datum plane. Sketch, select, press OK. So draw the circle. The diameter is 5 millimeter. Distance between the center of the circle on this point is 15 millimeter. The circle is created. Now we can make it extrude, reverse direction, can make on the subtract. Okay, the hole is obtained on the required position. So the same we can make that on plane here. Let's select this sketch and draw one more line here. Define the distance between this and this 120, convert it to the reference and finish. Select the datum plane, this point, and press OK. Sketch, select this datum plane, sketch, this datum plane, OK. Five millimeter, press enter. And the distance between this center on this point is 5 millimeter. And distance, and the distance is from this point to this point is 15 millimeter. Extrude, reverse direction, subtract, and OK. See, 2 holes is obtained. This is the first exercise for today's lesson. Now we will see the second one, this exercise. Okay, let's continue with the second project. Open new file. Call it exercise 10. Press OK. Select the sketch, define the plane and press OK. The second exercise, this one, let's start to draw this project. Okay. Select the profile. Draw the line here. In this kind of shape. Define the dimensions. The height is 40 millimeter. Okay, first we can make this distance is 10 and the height is 40 millimeter. and this distance is 80. And I think this distance is already defined. Make the fillet on this part. The radius is 3 millimeter, and the same here, 10 millimeter, and here also 10 millimeter. If the sketch is ready, we can make extrude it. Is the 50 millimeter. Press OK. We can make the edge blend. $10 millimeter this one, and this one also. Press OK. Now we can make the holes. Press sketch, select this face, press OK. Draw the hole, the same move. Okay. 10 millimeter. The distance between this line and this line is 10. And this distance is also 10 millimeter. We can make the mirror of this hole around the, oh, so there is no center line, so we can make additionally draw line here, circle here, 10 millimeter. $10 and 10 millimeter. So distance, it should be 30 millimeter. Yes, it's correct. You can delete and draw one more additional line here, circle here, with the diameter is 6. Using geometric constraint, midpoint, this line, circle on this line, so it is in the midpoint, and the distance between this and this is 25 millimeter. Okay, extrude it, reverse direction, subtract. Okay, now select the sketch, select this face, press OK. Draw rectangle. The distance of the rectangle defined, this is 60, and this is 30 millimeter. And this distance is 10 millimeter. And this distance is also 10 millimeter. Can make the fillet. It's the 5 millimeter of radius, so it will become 50. Five, and the last one is also 5. Extrude it. Extrude. Reverse direction, and the distance is 30 millimeter, and subtract, press OK. Select the sketch, select this face, press OK. Draw the circle here. The diameter is 20. Using the geometric constraint, make it midpoint. This circle of midpoint of this line, and this circle is midpoint of this line. Extrude it. Reverse direction, distance is 5 millimeter. Subtract, press OK. The same sketch this face, press OK. Draw the circle. If the diameter is 10, press OK. Extrude it. Extrude it. Reverse direction, value is until selected of this face. Press OK. So we obtained our second project, this one, and let's continue with the third, last of the today's project. Okay, let's continue with this project. Open the new file. Exercise 11. Press OK. Select the sketch. Select the plane and press OK. Draw the rectangle, for example by the center. Define the dimensions using the rapid dimension. The length is 120 and the height is 50 millimeter. Draw the circle with the diameter is 20 millimeter. Using the geometric constraint, midpoint, made this circle midpoint of this line, and define the distance between this line and the center of the circle. is 45 millimeter. Using the profile, draw the line here, convert to arc, draw the arc, and draw the line here. Define the length of the disc is 15 and the diameter this distance is 10 millimeter. Okay, make it mirror around this center line. Okay, define the distance between this and this is 30 millimeter. Make the quick trim these parts. So it is finished. Close it, extrude it on the distance of 10 millimeter. Press OK. Select the sketch, select this face, press OK. Draw the circle here in the midpoint. The distance, the diameter is 40 millimeter. And extrude it on the distance of 20 millimeter. On the bolean, make it unite with the base, press OK. OK, sketch this face, press OK. Draw the circle one more with the diameter is 30 millimeter, press OK. Okay, select extrude function. In this case, reverse direction. The distance is 10 millimeter and the bolean is subtract. Press OK. Select the sketch again. Select this face. Press OK. Draw again the circle with the diameter is, in this case, 10 millimeter. Extrude it on reverse direction. In this case, we can use end value until the selected of this face, you see, and subtract. OK. So the third last project is almost finished. Only here we can make the edge blend. This face in the distance is radius is 5 millimeter and press OK. The project is finished and the lesson of the today also finished. See you soon on the next lessons.